basically that just inches away from the boundary line.
Superb delivery by SHOHIB akhter. Rahul Dravid played all over it. Just what the Pakistanis needed. The rock for India. Rahul Dravid returns back to the pavilion after doing not very much. 24 for Rahul Dravid. Tony, fabulous delivery again.
Oh, there's nothing that beats a straight Yorker, especially just after the break. Nothing worse. The batsman's been out there. He's just got himself cooled down. He gets up there and the bowler comes in and bowls the most magnificent Yorker. Not only was it a good Yorker, the ball also swung in, so it seems to me that a little bit of reverse swing has started to happen here for the Pakistanis, and this could be a very significant factor. And of course, now that the man himself's arriving, we could be in for some real fun.
That's it. Rahul Dravid gone then. The third wicket for India on 24 to 93 deliveries, and India now 147 for 3. And in walks the man that all the world of cricket loves to see, Sachin Tendulkar. Well, we heard from Sunny before that maybe Sachin is due for a big knock. Kookaburra ball has been known to swing a lot more when it does get a little older and a little used. Of course, it's down from Australia, isn't it?
Yes, and this reverse swing is obviously something that the Pakistanis specialise in, and that one certainly, that ball that got Dravid, certainly went in quite late, and if it's really full, it can take a bit of playing. It'll be interesting now to see whether he keeps it right up to Sachin as well, and bowls him a couple that are right up there in the block hole.
Right then, the crowd will surely roar in anticipation as Sachin Tendulkar faces his first delivery from SHOHIB akhter. He's bowling from the other end, of course. He had a lot of problem bowling from the commentator box end, the south end as such. But here he is now, to the maestro himself. Oh, fantastic delivery, both. That's amazing. Virtually the same delivery. A little straight to Tony. Fireworks here for SHOHIB akhter. He is delighted.
That is a very, very special moment in Test cricket. They've been waiting to see him all day, and this young man has produced the perfect delivery. The world's best player goes out to bat, and everyone's been waiting for him. And what does he get? First ball, the ball's just started to swing in, and he gets a delivery. Well, I don't suppose any delivery is unplayable, but it was a beauty. It swung in late, and well, it just looked to me as if it went straight underneath his bat. Well, they'll all be very sad.
True.